day, everyone, and this is Anthony Phillips Njoku. Welcome to today's Forex Fundamental and Technical Breakdown. This Forex Fundamental and Technical Breakdown is for the time period of April 23rd to April 28th. You guys don't know me, and if this is your first time to watch this content, my name is Anthony Phillips Njoku, and I am a digital professional certified trader. I currently trade for different institutions and private companies, and I manage funds for private investors with our account management services. I'm the founder of 10x Digital Asset Limited, and we have this brand called 10x Digital Lane, where we teach people how to become certified professional traders and make money from the markets. You're able to earn income from the market, trading from different companies and individuals and earning income. We also have a different education when it comes to real estate and also Forex. So diving into our digital market breakdown today, we are looking at DXY. DXY has to do with the strength of dollar. As you can see here, we have a descending wedge on DXY. And if you look at DXY very well, we see that this is a trend. Swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low. Complex structure. Swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, the next swing low. I'm expecting the swing low from dollar, but there was a very complicated structure last week, more like an accumulation phrase, more like an accumulation. So at this point on dollar, I have two buyers for the market. As you can see over here, you see descending wedge formed. I would place a sell at the breakout and apply proper risk management, descending wedge. So the descending wedge has a principle to trade it. Every market structure has a principle to trade it. Every market occurrence has a principle to trade it. If you're trading fundamentals, they have principles to trade fundamentals. If you're trading technical, they have principles of support and resistance, trend line. If you're trading chart patterns, they have principles. If you're trading smart money concepts, they have principles. If you're trading wave analysis, they have principles. Whatever you're doing in this market has principles and rules you need to follow. If you don't follow these rules, sorry, you'll be misled. You'll be misled. The most important thing you need to know in Forex trading is it's not about being correct. It's about how much profit you're able to make at the end of the month. Because if you take this as a career, or if you take it as a job, you are paid a monthly salary. How much can you take home every single month from this market? It's a $6 trillion industry. How much are you taking home every month? So even if you master the strategy of a dummy, a basic strategy, and it is making you enough profit on a monthly basis, stick to it. Stick to it for the next 6 months. Track your record with my FX book. So from the principles, I've been trading descending wedge, which we're also on a downtrend. The trend is your friend. It is a basic terminology. I'm not going to trade against the trend. I'm going to enter the market for a sell at the breakout. If you see here, we have a support, a very solid support. It supported the market here once, 2 times, 3 times, and before the market closed last week, it's the 4th support. So at this point now, I see this trend. I expect market to go back into here, grab some liquidity and short down into this what H4 validation point. There's a H4 validation point. As I see at the last red candle. This is an order block as well, which is also support. But if the market doesn't go up at the start of the market and breaks out from this support, I'll be taking my sell stop orders. I'll be placing my sell stop orders 5 pips away from the support, 5 pips away. So that when there's a breakout, it's not going to be a fake out. It's going to break out impulsively and continue moving to the downside. When there's a breakout, they have 4 different structures of a trend. Accumulation. After accumulation. Breakout. After breakout. Continuation. after continuation, exhaustion or reversal. That are the 4 fundamentals when it comes to trend following. So where am I getting in? I'm getting in at the breakout, or I'm getting in at this what H4 validation point. When I see an exhaustion at the reversal of this trend line, reversal, they have trend reversal. If you want to know more about trend reversal, go to our website www.10xdigitalin.com and learn how to trade trend lines. It's as simple as that. So my first bias is breakout, and I'm entering the market 5 pips away from the breakout. We're entering the sell, the stop loss will be above here, and then we're taking down to this point. Or it goes up, grab some liquidity. We also have some H4 validation points over here as well. And the market has respected it countless numbers of times. And then we push down. When we get here, we'll be looking for a reversal at this point, or a correction. Now, I'm not going to use it as a correction, but a correction. So that's for GXY, the strength of dollar. We go to the next pair, Euro USD. That's our major pair. Yeah. I like Euro USD. So on Euro USD, I have 3 bias, 3 different bias, and all the bias has to do with the current bias on dollar. Like I told you guys, this is more like an ascending wedge for the euro. Let me show you guys that. This is more like an ascending wedge. So, and the market has here resistance, first touch, second touch, third touch, fourth touch, fifth touch, an ascending wedge. The principle of trading at ascending wedge is breakout. This is the what? Highest point of this resistance. If there's a breakout on this point, you can see over here, we're taking our buy 5 pips away from this what? Entry point at this resistance. Buy stops, stop loss. Target is here, return to origin, H4 validation point. But if the market decides to what, come down here to grab liquidity, just like we saw on DXY, we're taking the shorts. Then when it comes here, we then take the longs again, taking it back into this what, H4 validation point. To feel this efficiency over here. The trend is your friend. The trend has been trending upwards, giving us structures, complex structures, but it's still on the trend. Swing low, swing high, swing low. We need the next swing high. So that's it. That's it for Euro USD. Then the next pair on my list for this week is AUD USD. AUD USD. That's the next pair. Okay, so for AUD USD, we can see an expanding flat. An expanding flat. This is the high, another high. Then this is the low, low. And this is more like a trend line. So for AUD USD currently, what do I see? I see market at a major support level, a validation point as well, and it has fulfilled efficiency. Last week, we kept on looking for our buys, but AUD kept stopping us out on the Friday. We knew that AUD would buy. And if you can see, I have a return to origin over here. And for me, I'm expecting the shorts to complete this flat structure. This is an expanding flat. You can see it here, expanding flat. Market needs to come into here to fulfill efficiency. As you can see here, we have a 1-day validation point as well. The market needs to come in and fulfill its efficiency. So if market decides to what, break out impulsively without going up here to fulfill efficiency, just like we can see on Euro, we're taking the sells at the breakout of this support level. We're taking the sells, taking it down into this what? This zone, this support level. I can see a validation point. Over here, we also have a validation point over here. The last red candle, which never fulfilled efficiency, which is this candle. It never fulfilled efficiency. That's why you can see here. I see what I have a profit target over here. But if the market seems to extend to this point, cool. When it gets here, I'm expecting a reversal. Trend following. That's what I used to follow this trend in downside on a lower time frame. So this is my bias, AUD for a short. Well, if it wants to go up, we're going into this resistance before we sell. but it's an expanding flat. That's for AUD/USD. Then another pair on my list for this week is the USD card. And I like the USD card. I like the structure it's giving me. I like the structure. So for USD card, we have this is a major impulsive move. This is a total reversal, not a corrective structure. This is a total reversal. So the market pushed down into this H4 validation point over here and reversed, giving us our entry. It gave us an entry here, and if you bought dollar against the card, you should be in massive profit. So what we're trading for this week going in now is the corrective structure. We're trading the corrective structure. If this corrective structure goes into this 62 Fibonacci level, which we have a return to origin on the M30 time frame, which I've done the analysis. We have a origin at the M30 time frame. We also have an origin on the M5 time frame on the 32 Fibonacci retracement level. So for me, I will be shorting the market, but whatever short we're taking, we're going to make more than 1:3 of our account, because the stop loss over here is less than it's just 20 pips above the Fibonacci, the 0.00 Fibonacci level. So we are taking the correction. After this correction at this point, either we expect the continuation of this wave to the upside at 38 Fibonacci points, or we get the continuation at the 62 Fibonacci points over here, heading into this H4 bearish validation point. I expect the market to come down into this 62 Fibonacci point, because we have a H4 validation point, which is an expansion Fibonacci ratio. This is Fibonacci retracement and Fibonacci expansion. So the expansion is at 62 Fibonacci ratio, which we are expecting to go back into this H4 validation point. Do you understand? So that is what I see, and that is what I believe for the USD card. But for this week, we're starting with the corrective structure trading, which is going to be a very swift and easy trade to place. It's just a corrective structure. Then the next on my list is USD Japanese yen. Man, this is another sweet and juicy trade. I like the structure. Then I expect a corrective structure to the upside. Then we sell at the bearish H4 validation point. To be honest with you, I like this structure. This market gave us a our entry on MSBR RUTO, but it never came back to origin. It never came back to origin. So I marked out this origin point last week. Market never came back. What made this market keep going down was the JPY news we had. The JPY news we had, I think, on Tuesday about the PPI. This news pulled the USD against dollar to the downside. Sorry, the USD against Japanese yen to the downside. And it never came back to origin to fulfill efficiency. So currently, at this point now, we have a 20 pip stop loss to fulfill efficiency here. And then from here, we'll be dropping down. I'm not taking these buy trades into this origin. I'm taking the sell trades at this origin. Then to the downside is about 1:11. 1:11. A very good trade. 1:11. If you want to be very, very conservative and you want to be like, I want to be very, very safe, you can make it 40 pips stop loss, which is a 1:5.4. But if you want to be aggressive, you can make it 20 pips stop loss, and it will be 1:11. You understand? But if you want to be conservative, you can take it away from this, because this is an uptrend channel, which market has come and tested this high, and this high is reversed. Then now we have this low and this low. What makes a trend? 2 points. 2 points make a trend. And what gives me high confidence is what we have a H4 validation point at this point. So the point here is now for you to determine what risk level are you going to take. Are you taking 20 pips or are you taking 40 pips? On the conservative level, 40 pips is conservative. You're trying to be very safe that no matter what, this trade will go in your favor. But if it's 20 pips, you're trying to be aggressive, you're trying to make massive profits. Do you understand? So the best point for me and best approach for me is I'll be monitoring the lower time frame, like 5 minutes time frame, to get the highest probability setup and risk a very small amount to make about 11% of my account on one trade. Man, if it's just one trade I can get this week, I'm good. I'm not trading any other pair. Just one trade, one shot, one sniper entry, I'm good. 11% of my account, I'm good. I'm done trading. I'll just send you guys signals. And if you want to join our Telegram, go to the comments below to join our Telegram. We send free signals, accurate free signals, trading results, trading advice, live trading sessions. You're missing out a lot. Come on, come on. Just go to our Telegram. The link will be below. Join our Telegram, join our WhatsApp. This is all for you. You understand? So I expect a corrective structure up to this return to origin, and then we sell. Then the next pair on my list is oil, the ultimate oil, liquid gold. Liquid gold. So for oil, no. This went back to the extra. Aha, for oil, we have which time frame is this? I need to extend this a bit. Aha. For oil, we have a 3 hours time frame MSB, market structure break. Market never returned to origin. So we'll be shorting oil from this point, $80 per barrel index price. Then we'll be taking the profit at $72 per barrel. This is a return to origin on 15 minutes time frame, which is support as well. And you can see we're back into this zone where the market has been ranging. We're back into this zone. We're back into this zone where the market has been ranging. So we're expecting the market to drop down, even down to $70 per barrel. You understand? So this is oil, but we're taking the sales from return to origin at this high point. 3 hours return to origin. Then lastly is Bitcoin. Bitcoin, the mother of all cryptocurrencies. So last week or last 2 weeks, I told you that Bitcoin is going to buy on this same call. On this same call, I told you guys buy Bitcoin at this point. This Bitcoin was here when we did that call. You can see the date there. 10th of April, 2023. We did a meeting. I told you guys buy Bitcoin at this point. Bitcoin is going to $30. What happened? $30,000. Bitcoin went to $30,000. On Sunday, the Sunday that gave birth to this Sunday, I told you guys Bitcoin is going to drop. Sell Bitcoin at $30,500, which is here. Bitcoin sold and went down to 29. Now I'm telling you guys, buy Bitcoin again. I'm telling you guys, buy Bitcoin again. Bitcoin is going to $29,000. It's going to $29,000 from this current price. My entry position is at this return to origin, M15 return to origin. If you guys don't know our strategy on 10x Digital Lane, go to our website, www.10xdigitallane.com, sign up for a package and gain access to our strategy. It has also validated our entry as well. I called out this signal in the morning at this point. I called out this signal in the morning. I think it's about 12 o'clock. I called out this signal for a buy. So we're buying at 27,300. Stop loss is at psychological level of 26,500. Take profit is at 29,000. All these are psychological levels. So if Bitcoin is meant to drop, it can drop down to 27,000 before the buy continues. But 26,500, I don't see it going there anytime soon. But you know, the market is reactive, not predictive. Apply caution, apply proper risk management when trading the market. Risk disclaimer: past result does not predict future results as well. So this is all I have to share with you guys today. Thank you. Let's go to the fundamentals. Let's not miss one of the important why you guys are here. Fundamentals, very important. Very important. Fundamentals, the days of the week when we expect liquidity. And also, this is going to determine the day we'll have our live trading session. If you don't want to miss our live trading sessions, it's free. It's free. Go to our Telegram. The link will be below on the comment section. You can send me a message as well, and then I can forward you the link. Wow. So tomorrow, Monday, we have Euro. We have Euro by 9 a.m. Euro news Monday. This has high probability of pushing the euro to the upside. This is IFO business climate. This is a company financial report. Good. This is a company financial report, and it has high impact in the market. Three things that affect the market fundamentally is one, company financial reports, two, economical news, and three, government reports. So what is on Tuesday? On Tuesday, we have news by 3 p.m. West African time. And what is that news? New home sales. New home sales. This is a company financial report. You can also take it as an economical news as well. New home sales. So we're expecting liquidity in dollar pairs. Let me not just say dollar. Dollar pairs by 3 p.m. tomorrow. So it could be a buy, it could be a sell. But based on what I can see here, this is making euro strong. Consensus is making euro strong. If you have a digit that's higher than 94, then to make euro more strong. Because I think this business climate has to do with price and the rest. Importation and the rest with euro. Then on Wednesday by 2:30 a.m. West African time. On Wednesday, 2:30 a.m. West African time. Fantastic. We have news on AUD pairs, 2:30 a.m. Can you stay awake? If you cannot trade morning session on Wednesday, which is London session on Wednesday, which is 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. If you cannot trade New York session, which is 12 p.m. to 4 p.m., then wake up on Asian session. It's a sacrifice. If you work at the office, you work in a company, you can wake up in the morning, set your alarm. Even if you're a student as well, I can remember when I was in university, I used to wake up early as 1 a.m. and read my books. Yeah, you're waking up by 1 a.m. so you can be able to trade and make money. You understand? To pursue your dreams and your visions. Why can't you do that? You can, okay? So this is the news at AED pairs. Probably I'll be placing a buy limit or sell limit order, or buy stop or sell stop order for my actual direction. You already know what the technicals is saying. So I'll be trading, placing my limit orders. If I'm sleeping, probably it can trigger my orders. It has done that countless number of times for the signals we send. So if you don't want to miss our signals, join our Telegram. It's free signals. Just join the Telegram general community, and then you'll be able to get these free signals. Then on that same Wednesday, 7 a.m., we have Euro consumer confidence. Wow, interesting. This has to do relate to CPI somehow, because CPI has to do with consumer price index. But consumer confidence is related, the word is related to CPI. So it's a high impact news as well. And it's an economical news. Then by 9 a.m. as well, we have news on Euro. So you can trade the London session on Wednesday. But what I'll be trading with you guys is the New York session. Wednesday is our live trading session. So I'll be starting live trading by 12 p.m. on Wednesday. So we can trade the high impact news by 1:30 for dollar. We're trading high impact news by 1:30 for dollar, as you can see there. So dollar pairs, high impact news Wednesday. So get ready, 12 p.m. You can save it on your calendar. Join our Telegram group so you can get the link as well. Then on Thursday, high impact news by 8 a.m. for Euro. Then by 1:30 p.m. as well for dollar. Then on Friday, we have Japanese bank interest rates. When interest rate is increased, it reduces inflation, which is good for the currency. But one thing I want to let you know is that interest rate decision in Japan has been minus 0.1 for the past 20 years. They have not changed it. That's why a lot of countries like US go to Japan to go and borrow money. A lot of countries like Australia go there and buy products on credit to sell. Do you understand? So Japan, they are a production country. They encourage lending. They encourage buying and selling, trade. So that interest rate of 0.1 minus 0.1 is going to stick to minus 0.1. You just have to know the structures of the markets. This could be a news that will push USD JPY down to that bullish order block. I expect it to go down to. So watch out for that. So on by 6:30 a.m. we have London session Euro. High impact news 6:30. Wow. 7:30 on CHF. I don't trade CHF. 7:45 on Euro. Man, a lot of London session news on Friday. Man, I'll be trading a lot of London session. And then on that same Friday, we have Michigan on USD by 1:30. 1:30. So this is the fundamentals for this week. If you really want to understand more, you can dive to our website, www.energydigitallink.com. Grab yourself a package. As you can see here, our main purpose is to bring you the unique perspective of the world of digital assets and how to trade digital market. This is our team. We have a global team, and this is our package. In 1 month is $10.95. 3 months is $31.02. Down to 6 months and 1 year is $105.12. This is about pennies when it has to do with your return of investment. This is about a 1,000% return of investment. The education you're getting, the guidance you're getting, it is standard, high education gotten from global mentors with the best results and track record. I'm telling you, you will never ever regret subscribing for this package. You just need to invest the time, invest the focus, and invest the right zeal and belief system that you're going to achieve success in this industry. And definitely, I assure you, trust me, you're going to achieve success. Thank you so much for being on today's Rise and Grind. I hope you got value. If you got value, please smash the like button, comment below, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow our social media handles so you never ever miss any upcoming updates. Thank you once more and have a profitable trading week. Peace.